Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this American Mahjong set. Now this has 152 pieces, plus you get an extra 8 bonus pieces, so that's really nice. These pieces are fantastic. It's actually laser engraved inside there, so it's not gonna like rub off, and it's got 4 different layers on here, so you actually see the colored layers, which makes it really easy to be able to hold on to and grab. Now we got it all set up here for a game, but I mean, this is fantastic as far as how well these are all done. And it does come with a carrying case, so you don't have to figure out where to put all these when you're done. It doesn't come with the nice little slides to be able to put them on, but with how thick they are, you can easily just set them up on a table. This little bag is great. It holds everything really nicely. And on the inside, you also have a little zippered area to be able to hold the extra accessories that you get, which you've got your wind indicator. So that is a nice little dice here that just kind of great, be able to move that around, not move it at all. You get 3 little dice, and those can then be picked up and put inside of here for easy traveling for the game. On top of that, they actually give you these little guides to help show you what each one of the tiles are. So you've got your BAMs, your dots, your cracks, your flowers, and then your types of winds. And I've got each one of these set out here so you can kind of just see just how pretty and elegant these are all engraved in here. The colors are really nice. You get your beginner's guide on how to play, and you get your poker chips, which are nice little chips to be able to put out. Each one of them have a lot of indication on all of them, so you know how much they're all worth rather than trying to remember it all. But this is a really neat game that you can use to play with your family, spend lots of time having all sorts of fun.